the foot has a connection to the ground because it's the deepest way of I'm on earth, but it has no weight. So it touches, but it doesn't touch. So I do not carry it on top of it. But I can carry it, so you are free. And if you need it to be more stable, you can touch it. Yeah? But it's in a way I sink down and I have those, and those two streams combine. Do I always pause in the middle? Yes, I do, but it's not required. If you go to other therapists, very often, you do it very often after each other. Sympathy, antipathy, sympathy, because like we did it with Love E, it can be a sort of massage. You do this energy, you do that energy, you do this energy, you do that energy. But in a way, because you stand on the left leg all the time, it can hurt. So for this reason, it makes sense to make a pause. Another aspect is that the body likes to be taken serious. So if you notice differences, and he's working so differently, one leg is standing all the time, the other one is moving. And then I take a time to notice this. And then I wait till things are equal again. And then I go on. I give my body attention. And this also makes things happen which have to do with the exercise, which you do not so much look at when you just continue. That's why I prefer to do it this way.